Yo, Leon. Do you want to go on a vacation?
Okay, let's go.
I really hope I don't burn my face this time. My face, my nose is a little bit burnt. A sunburn. Okay guys, so we're at the beach right now. We are just enjoying the beach and the sunset.
Damn.
The sun already set on the horizon. This is the horizon, but the sun already set, so it means the sun went down. But yeah, this is the beach at sunset. Pretty nice. Look at the horses on the beach. The horses on the beach. But yeah, right now the sun pretty much set. The sun pretty much set, and we're just walking around on the beach. Oh, this is a hairless dog. You can see it has no hair. But yeah, these are all like restaurants at night, and they're all playing music. I think later at night it's gonna be like a party here. Fiesta or something. But yeah, these tables have candles on them. Candle, 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 candle. Yeah, these are plastic tables, a plastic chair, plastic table. So this is our dinner for tonight. Mine was 18 sols. It's like $5 or $6, 18 sols, I think. This is what I got. And now he's squirting the ketchup out of the bottle. Squirting the ketchup out of the bottle. Okay, we just went to the grocery store and we got, what did we get? Chips. We got a pail of ice cream. We also got some Oreos and some gummies. We got gummies too. That's all the stuff we got from the supermarket. So it's just some snacks, kind of like dessert. We got the ice cream because it's so hot. So it's nice to just have some cold ice cream to eat. Isn't that right? So yeah, we're gonna have that ice cream. He's mostly gonna eat all of that. I'll just have a little bit. We are in some back alleys of Moncora. We're trying to find this park. This is where we are right now. People's houses all along here. So this is like a plaza, I guess, where they have maybe concerts or festivals. This all along here is called a ditch. It's where water flows, so when it rains a lot, the water comes in here and it flows down to the ocean. So it's called a ditch, and it's where the water flows out, so it doesn't stay on the road. What you call a smoothie. So I have a smoothie now. It's strawberry banana. Hey guys, good morning. We're driving to a place where you could swim with turtles. I'm not sure if we're gonna go swimming with turtles, we'll see, but this is where you swim with turtles. You can see it's so dry and arid. And I guess this place is where you get to see the turtles from. And here you have restaurants and stuff all along here. All the tuk-tuks are parked. But yeah, this is where they leave to go see the turtles. And this right here, this is a turtle. So let's go see if we can see the turtles, because I think you swim around here. I don't know if you have to go on a boat or not. And this right here is a flag. So it's a flag that's waving in the wind. A flag that's waving in the wind. And this is the beach. This is a nice beach. Honestly, this beach reminds me of, did you do that hop on hop off bus in Cape Town, South Africa? And one of the stops was a beach? That's kind of exactly what that beach looks like. So we just got our entrance ticket. This is an entrance ticket and we just bought it. So hopefully we could see the turtles from up here. If not, we might have to go swim with them, but we are sunburnt. So I don't know if swimming is the best. Yeah, you should after. All this, you call it the shore or the shoreline. All this. This is all the shore, the shoreline. But yeah, oh, the wind feels so good. It cools you down a lot, the wind. And this water is so nice. The water is turquoise. Beautiful. No, this is some nice water. This is some nice water. Oh, you see it? There's a turtle right there. I don't know if you could see the turtle. Wow. And if you want, you could swim with turtles. You see, they're swimming with the turtles. Oh yeah. This is like a baby turtle. It's smaller, a baby turtle. More turtles here.
Yo, jump off.
Wow. So yeah, right now, this area we're in, this is a dock. This whole area, all of this is a dock. And I'm standing on the dock. And this guy's sleeping. Oh, look at that turtle right there. These boats are tied up to right here. So the boats are tied. All these boats are tied on so that they don't float away. Oh yeah, another turtle. And all these boats here are fishing boats. These are all fishing boats. So all these boats here are anchored. But these boats are docked. These boats are docked because they're attached here to a dock. And those boats are anchored. But yeah, it's very beautiful here. Like the breeze, the wind, the cool breeze makes it feel very nice because the sun is very hot, but the cool breeze cools me down. So it's nice. And you can see everyone here is wearing life jackets. So they have life jackets on. So you put on a life jacket so you don't drown. A life jacket. Life jacket. Me and my boy. My boy is tired. He's sleeping. He's worked hard today, so he's just taking a rest. Nothing wrong with that. We all need a rest. So yeah, you can see this is a life jacket. So the orange and yellow things are called life jackets. Life jackets. Right now, we are standing on the cliff or on the edge of the cliff. We're standing on the edge of the cliff or we are standing on the cliff. Okay, so we made it down and here is the cave. I guess these are all little tiny crabs here. You see them? Little tiny crabs, but this is the cave.
All these little crabs.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. I don't even think those people could get here. I think they just see it from far. But look at this cave. Wow. Look at this shell. Look at this shell. It's pretty cool. This is another shell. But this is the cave. Wow. Very nice. Yo, what do you think made these holes? Look at that.
Hey, the shit.
Look at this one.
Water.
Water did not make... Volka. Okay guys, this is a fish processing plant. So all these boats bring the fish here, they process the fish, and then these are the trucks, these trucks ship the fish. Okay guys, so we got my soup. This is what I'm having for lunch, it's a soup. It's a beef soup. This is a drink. This cup here, this is a metal cup, a metal cup. These are my utensils, so you call these utensils. So if you're at a restaurant and you want to ask for utensils, you could just ask them, can I have utensils, please? And here's a lime. Then you have napkins here, and these are 2 sauce bottles. But this is a glass jar, and the napkins are inside. And he's still waiting for his food. So this is the second course. This is like beef, beans, rice, and a salad. What do you get?
Deep fried chicken.
So he got deep fried chicken. So it's the first day we're going out again. So this boy's coming out, and so am I. And this right here is a bridge. This is a bridge, and right now we are going to be walking underneath the bridge. Underneath the bridge. These plants here on the side, these are called cactuses. So this is a cactus, this is cactus, and these are cactuses. Cactus, cactus. And this is a big wall. And what he's wearing, those are flip-flops. Flip-flops. And these are sandals. These are sandals. So flip-flops and sandals. Now we're back at the beach. Very beautiful. These are blockades, but as you guys can see, today I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt. Long sleeve shirt. Long sleeve swim shirt. So that I don't burn. And I'm wearing a hat too, so the sun doesn't burn me. And I have sunscreen on. And now we're at the beach. Yeah, I think so. I think this area is pretty rocky. I think over there it's a little bit better. It's really rocky all along here. So I sent my brother to go check how rocky it is. Because he said it, oh, it's not rocky. And I said, it is rocky. So we'll see who's right. And if it's rocky, we're gonna go down over there. Because if it's rocky, you might cut your feet with the rocks. But yeah, now he's going into the water. He will go into the water. He's going into the water. And he went into the water. And today is hot out and sunny, but it's also windy, so it's kind of nice. Nice balance. So this is sunscreen. You can see right here, sunscreen. And it's used for your body and your face. And I put it on my legs. My brother's over there swimming. So I got the sunscreen on my finger. So I'm applying the sunscreen. I'm applying the sunscreen. My place is white where I applied the sunscreen. I would rather look weird than burn my face. But yeah, now we got the sunscreen on. So I applied the sunscreen. Past tense. Present, I'm applying the sunscreen. In future, I will apply the sunscreen. I'm going to apply the sunscreen. So you can say he's swimming right now. Past tense, he swam. Future tense, he will swim. He's going to swim. He wants to swim. And this thing right here is a jet ski. It's called a jet ski. A jet ski. That is called a jet ski, and you use it in the water. A jet ski. It's very fun. It's very fun. In Canada, I use it, but on lakes. Not in the ocean, but on lakes. He's done swimming. How is the water?
Salty water.
Salty water, he says. Water was salty, but now it's my turn to swim, so. My face, my nose is a little bit burnt. A sunburn. Set on the horizon. This is the horizon, but the sun already set, so it means the sun went down. He's squirting the ketchup out of the bottle. A ditch. It's where water flows, so when it rains a lot. So it's a flag that's waving in the wind. This is an entrance ticket for the shoreline. All this whole area, all of this is a dock. So all these boats here are anchored. These boats are docked because they're attached here to a dock. The cool breeze, a life jacket. These are my utensils. So you call these utensils. A glass jar and the napkins are inside. And this right here is a bridge. These are called cactuses. So I'm applying the sunscreen. I'm applying the sunscreen.